Hey guys, just a couple people have been asking what a Ford Fusion titanium 2-liter turbo would sound like, 2015 model with a cold air intake. So here's what it sounds like and whether it'll sound good or not, I don't know on your car, but it's what it sounds like on mine. I have an AEM with a dry flow filter. So that's completely stock motor and just the cold air intake. I don't know, it sounded pretty good to me whenever I bought it, but it's all up to you guys, so whatever. If you want to see more, comment, like, subscribe, and suggest some videos, and I will try my best to get those videos uploaded and started. Thank you, bye.